Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating and securing an API key so your app can talk to Google Maps. Enable the Maps JavaScript API and Geocoding API now, and restrict the key by referrer or IP to prevent abuse. Once done, add the official SDK. Either install the Maps SDK package or drop the provided script tag into your HTML head. Make sure billing is enabled with a credit card on file so requests aren't blocked. This is why the key alone won't work. You now create the visible map and connect services. First, add a container div with explicit width and height. Without size, the map won't render. Initialize a new Google Maps. Map with center coordinates and default zoom, then toggle controls you need. Next, instantiate supporting services, geocoder for addresses, places for searches, and directions for routing, and attach event listeners for clicks or input changes. Once listeners are active, make a test request and inspect You finish by wiring UI inputs to map updates. Add markers from geocoded results, draw polylines for routes, and open info windows on click so users see details. Make sure to debounce search inputs to avoid hitting quotas, and catch API error codes to display friendly messages. If the map is blank, check console for key or billing errors and verify referrer restrictions. Finally, test on your production domain after updating referrers. This prevents last-minute failures when you deploy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.